Hey there, welcome to my channel, AH for Truth. Thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time on my channel, please like, subscribe, and do me a favor, let me know what you think. This really does help with the growth of the channel, with bringing people in and the algorithm juices flowing. All right, yeah, I know I haven't done a video in a couple days here. I've been busy. I just wanted to come on here, guys, and tell you that XRP, in my opinion, is about to pop. WikiCat is about to pop. On X, there's a lot of talk about WikiCat being the bull run, and I do sincerely agree. It is indeed the bull run. It's going to spark a massive move, financially speaking. And for those of you who don't like us talking about meme coins, please, I want to let you know that meme coinology is on its way. On the 27th of September, we are having a conference, themed meme coinology conference. It'll be the first one. I'll be there. Kryptonite and a couple of our other friends. It's a 3-hour conference. It starts at 9 and ends at 9 a.m. Central and ends at 12 noon Central. 3 hours. And we will be telling you about 14 prophetic coins that you should get into, how to position yourself, and what you need to do to get a good harvest from investing in these specific meme coins. Meme coins are wealth. I would call them, I believe that it's in this season, I see these meme coins as divine wealth generators and accelerators for some of us who might think, hey, I missed an opportunity. And there are those of you who, yeah, you didn't miss the opportunity. You already invested in this arena, but you need to kind of go to the next level. So we're giving you this opportunity. Join us. The Meme Coinology Conference is $300. People have said, oh, it's expensive. Well, it's not, because we're positioning you for generational wealth. We are already on the journey, and we want to bring as many along with us. Yes, the information is free online. You can get all this information online, but man, you have to know where to look. You have to know how to find it. It's not that easy. It's not just sitting down there waiting for you to find it. No, you've got to work hard. We've put in years of time. Kryptonite and myself will be hosting this. We'll be on there helping you, sharing information that is life-changing, that will truly transform you. Now, back to XRP. XRP is about to explode. Look at the spot ETF that was just approved. Now, remember, in one of my videos earlier, and I'm sure you found out from others too who are on here sharing information with you, listen, when you have spot ETFs being approved, that's a completely different animal, because with the spot ETFs, you have to have the underlying asset as XRP in this case. And so the ETF will be holding it. It will not just be mimicking the behavior of the asset, but actually holding it. So that's a different one. And there are several others that will be approved in quick succession. So XRP is actually waiting and ready to fly. Don't fool yourself. If you've been waiting on the sideline, this is the time. If you say, look, I have only so much to invest, maybe you want to go through the way of meme coins, build an acceleration, and then, gain some wealth and or financial increase, and then use that to jump into what I call the blue chip cryptos. So November also, we're going to see the ISO cryptos really begin to take off. They've been positioned. I always say it's like building a 500 room hotel. It doesn't matter, what you do. If you do not finish construction, the hotel cannot be commissioned, and you can't start having guests coming in and all of that. So with the ISO coins, we are just ready to rip. So friends, look, relax. It's time to see some great things happen. And God bless you all. And I hope that we really do what we have to do to profit from what we're seeing happening right before us. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.